हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर शिल्पा गोयल है। मैं एक कैटरेक्ट और स्क्विंट सर्जन हूँ बेस्ड एट आवर सेंटर विजन प्लस आई क्लिनिक इन सेक्टर 82 गुड़गांव. If you are watching this video, then most likely you have undergone already a cataract surgery. So through this video, I would like to share with all the precautions and post-op care so that you can have the best possible recovery after surgery. आजकल जो कैटरेक्ट सर्जरी हम करते हैं, it is very advanced. We are not using any kind of anesthesia. And the opening that we made is very small, just 2 millimeter type of opening. So it is a self-healing type of a surgery in which we are not giving any stitches. So any kind of older instructions like you have to be bound at home and you are not traveling for about a month is no longer applicable. After cataract surgery, within a week, most of the patients, they are able to carry on their normal routine. They can drive, they can travel, and they can resume their normal office work. Regarding the dietary changes after cataract surgery, whatever diet changes is applicable as per your systemic status, like diabetes or blood pressure, that has to be continued after surgery. From our point of view, कुछ भी आपको additional dietary रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं होते हैं आफ्टर सर्जरी. स्लीपिंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस इवन आफ्टर डे 1 ऑफ सर्जरी, आप जिस साइड आपकी सर्जरी है उस साइड भी आप टर्न करके नॉर्मली सो सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट राइट फ्रॉम द डे ऑफ सर्जरी वी कैन टेल द पेशेंट कि आप नॉर्मली विदाउट एनी डार्क गॉगल्स टीवी देख सकते हैं, आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ सकते हैं डिपेंडिंग अपॉन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लेंस हैज बीन यूज्ड. डार्क गॉगल्स दैट वी गिव आफ्टर सर्जरी इज ओनली फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ like protection from any kind of infection or any pressure on the eye. Like for example, अगर आपके घर में छोटे बच्चे हैं, so we tell you that you avoid handling them for the initial few days so that there is no risk of any trauma to the eye. Regarding all the drops that we carry on after surgery, mostly we give 3 to 4 types of drops after surgery, which are then tapered as per your response that we see in the post-op visit. Okay, so try to follow the routine of the drops which has been prescribed. Drops डालते कैसे हैं? Everything we explained day of surgery during discharge. Like drops डालते टाइम try to wash your hands. The patient लेट के अगर आप खुद डाल रहे हैं आप खुद भी डाल सकते हैं. Just one drop has to be put. There has to be a proper gap between the 2 drops, like minimum 5 to 10 minutes gap has to be there. After surgery, like चश्मा दिया जाता है, which is like after 3 weeks of surgery, during which we consider that most of the healing is complete. So there are usually 3 visits after surgery. One is within 24 hours, in which we see that if there is any pressure height, if there is any infection in the eye. After that, there is a 1 week post-op surgery, and then after final visit is 3 weeks of surgery. During initial 1 week, most of the precautions रहता है, like forward bending नहीं करना है, weight lifting नहीं करना है, infection point of view से किसी भी भीड़ वाली जगह नहीं जाना है, like malls हो गया, shopping हो गया, मंदिर हो गया. So we always ask the patients कि आपको within 1 week try to be at home. आप नॉर्मल वॉक कर सकते हो, बट ट्राई टू अवॉइड एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइजेज और योगा विच स्पेशली इन्वॉल्व फॉरवर्ड बेंडिंग. This has to be avoided. Regarding the eye cleaning after surgery, we usually give sterile wipes to the patients, which are very handy and they are absolutely like kind of sterile. So आप उससे अपना जब भी आप ड्रॉप डाल रहे हैं, because the drop is going to trickle down on your cheek, so आप उसको gently cheek से try करेंगे कि clean करना है. Conventional method used to be that you can boil the cotton and then cool it down. Like if अगर wipes खत्म हो गई है, don't try to use any kind of home available cloth or tissue to clean your eye. You can just boil the cotton, cool it down and squeeze it in a clean container and then try to clean the eye. After surgery for about a week or 5 days, we don't want that the patient should take a head bath. So we tell the patients कि आप neck से नीचे नहाएंगे daily and face cleaning के लिए आप एक towel से sponge कर सकते हैं. After 1 week, usually we allow the face wash with soap and water. But direct splashing of the water we don't allow till the 2 to 3 weeks post-op. सर्जरी के बाद कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ नॉर्मल लाइक चुभन होना, पानी आना, थोड़ा बहुत पेन होना इज नॉर्मल, विच इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सर्जरी हीलिंग एंड इट इज टेकन केयर विद द ड्रॉप्स इटसेल्फ. बट एट एनी पॉइंट इफ यू फील कि पहले से विजन ड्रॉप हो रहा है, आई में सूजन आ रही है, रेडनेस आ रही है, वाटरिंग आ रही है, तो आपको तुरंत आके डॉक्टर से मिलना है, बिकॉज दीज कैन बी द वार्निंग साइंस विच वी डोंट वांट इन इनिशियल फ्यू डेज. So I hope through this video I have been able to address most of your concerns regarding the post-op care of the cataract surgery, and most likely it will motivate to undergo cataract surgery on time without any fear and concern. Thank you.